Hazrat Alqama states that Hazrat Ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu said, I was along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in a field of Madina Munawwara, while he was reclining on a date palm staff. Right then a group of Jews happened to pass from there. So some of them said, ask him about the Spirit, whereas some of them said, don't ask him lest he should give you an answer you dislike. So they came and stood beside him and said, O Abul Qasim, tell us about the Spirit. The transmitter states, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood there for a while watching, so I realized that he was being revealed. So I retreated until the angel of revelation ascended. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, O beloved, and they ask you about the Spirit. Say, the Spirit is a thing by the command of my Lord, and you were not given knowledge but a little. Surah Bani Israel verse 85. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7297.